I'm Charlene Kahawan. Together with my pair, Cruiser Shane Gamay, we are going to tell you about the Maranao tribes.
So the reason I am called Maranao is because I am one of the dwellers of the lake. So yung Lanao actually galing sa word na Ranao. Tinatawag yan silang Maranao because they are the people who dwells near the lake.
The Maranao people are one of the major ethno-linguistic groups in the Philippines, primarily inhabiting the province of Lanao del Sur in the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao.
The Maranao are known for their rich cultural heritage, including their intricate weaving and embroidery traditions, as well as their unique architectures and arts. The Maranao people have a long story, tracing their origins back to the 14th century when the Sultanate of Mindanao was established in the region.
The Maranao are renowned for their elaborate and colorful textile designs, which are often used in traditional clothing, accessories, and home furnishings. These textiles are not only beautiful, but also hold deep symbolic meaning within their culture.
The Maranao people have also made significant contribution to the arts, with their intricate wood carving, metalwork, and ceramic being highly sought after both in the Philippines and internationally.
The Maranao people are known for their unique oral traditions, including epic poems and folk tales that have been passed down through generations. These stories often reflect the Maranao's deep connection to their ancestral lands and their Islamic faith.
The Maranao culture is truly rich and diverse, and it's important to continue to preserve and celebrate this unique heritage.